Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check if your 120Hz display is actually on Google Pixel 11. So first, if you cannot recognize the smoothness, if 60Hz feel the same to you as 120, because it happens a lot to people, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Now, once you're in the settings, you want to go to the display and touch. Right here, you have a lot of options, but we're going to scroll down all the way until we see other display controls. And here, if your smooth display is enabled, if your switch is not gray and white, and it's your color and white, then that means it's enabled. And as you guys can see, you guys probably won't notice the difference because we are on YouTube, so let me just do that for a couple of seconds. And as you guys can see, let's enable smooth display. Now this is how it feels, so definitely much smoother and faster, but probably YouTube will still cap it, so there will be no actual difference. But that's how you guys can check if your 120Hz display is on. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.